Hello? Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, dude, to be honest, I'm actually getting ready for it right now. Yeah, I'm warming up my shoulders. Yeah, I saw it. Yep, don't worry about it. I'll take a video for you. I'll send it. All right, yeah, let's go. Woo! All right, bye. All right. Recording? Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, I'm going to take you through a 12-minute low impact, low steady state workout that you should add into your morning routine. All right guys, this isn't going to be a high intensity workout. I did say it is low intensity, so we're going to be doing exercises, okay, things that are going to get us moving, right? I know you just woke up, you may have some back pain, you may be sore, okay, something to get us going so we can attack our day, okay? Something that you should do right in the morning before taking a shower, getting ready for work, or taking your kids to school. All right guys, you guys ready to check out this workout? Let's go. All right guys, so this workout is going to consist of 6 exercises, which we're going to repeat twice, and that will equal out our 12-minute workout, okay? So it's going to start off with 45 seconds on of each exercise, followed by 15 seconds of rest, okay? This is where you're going to be able to transition from each exercise, all right? So let's go over the workout. So first exercise, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to go into a lunge position, all right? Lunge, but you're going to stay in this quarter squat the whole time. All right, so you're gonna stay in this quarter squat, alternating, and being that we're gonna do this exercise twice, we're gonna stay on one leg for the full 45 seconds, and once we do it again, then we'll go on to the other side, okay? So on to exercise 2, and what we're gonna do is, pay attention on this one, you're gonna tuck your chin in, you're gonna roll your body, right? You should see my whole spine, roll down, bend the knees if you have to, feel your hamstrings. You're gonna walk out into a push-up position, and then you're going to work your way back up into reversing the same thing like when you started, okay? So full speed. Boom, okay? So exercise number 3, we're going to go into a push-up position now, and we're going to bring our hand to our chest, rotate, raise it up, come right back down, right? Notice how my toes open up to where my chest is open. I'm gonna rotate, look up, come right back down, okay, full speed. And rest, okay? Exercise number 4, we're gonna stay right here. We're gonna go into a bird dog, so alternating arm, alternating leg. We're gonna go straight out, come back in, push with your heel, extend fully as much as you can, full speed. So just like the first exercise, we're gonna stay on this side for the full 45 seconds, and once we come around it again, then we'll alternate to the other side, okay? Exercise number 5 is gonna go into a glute bridge. So we're gonna go on our back, heels on the ground, hands down, and we're gonna focus on raising our hips up, squeezing at the top, glutes, hamstring nice and tight, down, touching the floor, up, squeeze, full speed. And rest, and onto your last exercise, we're actually going to stay right here and go into what's called a butterfly sit-up. Okay, so heels are touching into this butterfly position, hands back. Use this as momentum to come forward, hands in front of your toes, going back, full speed. And rest, okay? Those are your 6 exercises that we're gonna rotate twice, okay? Remember, it is a low impact workout, so no need to go too fast. Get as many reps as you can in those 45 seconds, but work your way in, okay? If you want, and your second set, then you can start to speed it up a little bit. It's a nice little workout before we get ready for our day, okay guys? So, you guys ready for this workout? Let's go. hips opened up. Feel my arms. Ooh, I'm feeling good. But I did pick up a little sweat, right? Now it's time to take a shower, get ready for work, okay? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this workout, okay? Like I said, it is a low impact. It should have been done nice and easy, okay? It is not a high intensity workout, all right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, all right, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe if you don't already, make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. Okay, as for now, I'm going to be getting ready for our next video. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below. All right, guys? All right, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful morning. I got to start getting ready for work.
Getting stuck,
Let's
I
go.
see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water isn't parted, we run, we put you so